Okay, so we're gonna enter right into the street, and I'm gonna show you what's around here. Actually, this is kind of near an area called San Malo, and we kind of came off this little golden little alley, and we're gonna enter right into there. So let's see what's over on the other side. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There's our golden alley. We're going to be going right out there in a second, but over here there's a little sign that says it's a real estate agency. I'm going to check it out one of these times, and then it says Philippine, let me see, let's go over there real quick, and it says Philippine welcome, we do speak English. So there's a lot of Filipinos that live in the San Malo area, so I'm a little bit curious what they what kind of deals they have, because usually that would be probably a lot cheaper than this is actually an area known a little bit cheaper than other areas, and I like this area a lot, and a lot of Filipinos stay here because the rents are a little cheaper, and I don't know why they're cheaper because it's pretty well located. Anyways, we have this little thing right here, and we're gonna start our video by exiting here, and now we're out into the street. So yeah, you got this black and white tile everywhere, and then this one sometimes I've walked around down that way, but we're gonna check out this balcony stuff. It's pretty cool. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down this way, and before we start, this is called Patio do Cotai. So we're just gonna go up a little bit. So there you can see it right there. So Patio do Cotai. Then you got all these places to sit out here, and we're just gonna walk around in here, and then around this way is Rua de Felicidade. But this is kind of an interesting little area right in here. Give you a little bit of history of some of this area. This is not too far away from where the original docks would have came in. I'll explain that some other time too. Let's kind of capture some of the scenes here. Travessa de Otero Novo. Pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna go straight up this way and Peking dumplings, huh? Okay. This is a lock ship right here. Loja is a I thought it was watches. I don't know what it is. Let's just go see what this is. It looks like it's maybe more souvenirs. Huh. Sardines? Huh. I don't know what Loja is. It's pretty cool little spaces actually, because you have all these little wrapped around balconies right there. 1, 2. Okay, so let's just go straight up this way, and then Baco is mouth of the Macao. So I don't know. Actually, that looks pretty cool too. Hello. It's really, it's beautiful. So we're gonna walk up this way, and actually this whole street is called Rua de Felicidade. That's it right there. Interesting. So yeah, this street is called Rua de Felicidade, and that older guy is pretty interesting. He looks like he's been around a long time. A lot of cool stuff. That one is always open. He's usually playing music, and it's kind of a cafe. A lot of places are closed. Just walked in front of that, and that went off. So originally this street would have been like Japan geishas. Basically it's all Macau though, but like these girls would be like sing-song girls. They call them sing-song in Cantonese, and And I guess they would kind of lure customers in, then they would entertain them, basically. And you can see there's kind of an upstairs part and a downstairs part. Huh. If you look at the detail, there's like a little statue in there. It's a woman with something over her head. Very small and subtle. But yeah, all those days are gone now, so I don't really see that anymore. And I think what I'm gonna do, I have filmed in this one, and I usually call it the, give it a different name every time. Rua de Felicidade means like street of happiness. I think what I'm gonna do is go down in this alley. This alley is pretty interesting because this one is like on the other side. So it's the same setup, but it's let me just see. It's all these birds up here too. So yeah, this is the Rua de Felicidade, and then this one goes around the corner like that. We're just gonna follow it down. This is like it's completely renovated. Like they're doing something there. Anyways, this video might be getting a little too long, so I think somebody's apartment. Like I saw some like calendar kind of stuff. Anyways, I don't want this video to be too long, so we're gonna close it in a minute, but at least you kind of see a little bit of this little space and what it's like a little bit. It's kind of cool. That guy was carrying a box of wine, Portuguese wine. It's one of the beautiful things about Macau, because it's like one of the few places in Asia that has, few places in the world outside the Portuguese-speaking world that has wine. It's kind of a hum there. And we're just going to go back into the Rua de Felicidade, and we're going to end it. Okay. This is a good ending spot right here, I think.
Toma cuidado la